the system coming up soon. It's a complete what's called Sacco system. So this is the system here. It's coming up soon. Here I'll show you how it works and get to know. So this is the system. So far configured it with the phone number, but you guys can use it. So it's coming up soon. So we have the admin, the normal members, where you see the normal members in the system. We have the welfares, like how they've been coming in to pay some welfares. They have savings, they have the loan part of it, the pending loans, the approved loans, ongoing loans, defaulters, completed loans, welfare defaulters, those who have been missing, and ceremonials. Ceremonials like parties or maybe some function whether someone has died, something like that. And expenses is also here, which is this. This is where we do the expenses, whereby you can say maybe, let me say water, you're buying water, maybe it's worth of 6,000, or maybe, and who is by who? By that person, or maybe by that person. And so maybe we bought water for members, that's an expenses. And when you click there, automatically this tends to be added up here as you can see. And also computes here there at once, which you can also print in case you want to print it out. You get? Yes, yes. Now, we also have other part for the reports, for the admin and so on. So this is it. Has also got part for loans, as you can see. Has also got the part for loan application. The savings is this part here, where you can click on here and say maybe I'm paying for this guy here. It's doing some saving. And maybe you say put there maybe for 40,000. And when you click there, that will definitely put that money you put inside there, even the date in which you have saved. And you can also, when you click to add again more money in simple term, it tells you have already paid savings today, but you can again pay tomorrow. Reason why I put such scenarios is to avoid making several errors in the system. For those guys who will wish to make several, who would try to insert the data. And when you click here, it shows you how the person has been saving. The same thing when you click back again here under savings for this person, like maybe this one, and you click there, it will show you how the person has also been saving here. Get so that's how it works like. If you know you're interested in this system, it's here. Yeah, just tell me you're interested and make a complete version of it. I give you. Thank you.